Introducing the Advin Health Care Monopolar Collins Knife. Double stem, Storz Type. Designed for precise incision and effective tissue cutting during transurethral and endoscopic urology procedures. This specialized electrode delivers accurate energy transfer for controlled surgical performance. Crafted from high-quality medical-grade materials, the Collins knife ensures consistent conductivity and long-lasting durability. Its double-stem design provides enhanced stability and secure fitting within compatible Storz Type resectoscopes. The finely shaped blade enables smooth, controlled cutting with minimal tissue drag, supporting clean incisions and reduced thermal spread. The polished surface finish improves visibility and ensures reliable performance.